How is it going, everyone? And thank you again for stopping by. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I make this awesome custom PS5 controller. So let me show you. Let's start by pulling off here. There we go. This one. Any of this, peel it off slowly. The back of the controller, slow, just push to the side and just peel it off. Peeling from the back, right here. Take your time. Let's see how the Mando helmet looks here. Something else that I want to address is people see something like this and they say to themselves, I could never make something like this. Well, let me tell you, this is, I think, the fourth controller that I make. I'm not an expert doing this. I'm still improving and learning. I just have the courage to just go and try something new, and this one is also something new for me. I try and went now for the joysticks, and I try now and make a helmet inside the buttons. It's always me trying to improve. Like this thing right here, look how shiny it looks. You can see the helmet, this is casted. Like almost everything in this controller is something new that I just tried. So please feel free to give yourself the chance and try. You never know what you can do. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this one. This video was a bit shorter, but I wanted to showcase this one to you. I really hope you enjoy it. My name is EJ, and I will see you on next time. Bye.